Alright guys, today in this video I'm going to show you the RAM type of your laptop or computer. So you can see in Task Manager, it's not able to see right now because Windows 11 have removed the feature. It should show over here, but right now it's not showing. So let's go to Google and type your CPU-G and download this program. So hit on this link, click on this setup English and then download, and then just go ahead and download, save this file. Now run this application. Click on yes, and then click on I accept and click on next. So uncheck this view readme file because we don't need it. So just here is a program file that you need to open this up. Click on yes, and this is reading all of the CPU specification, and we need to check the RAM. So go to memory, and there we go to type is DDR4 on my case. So if you have DDR5, it should show you DDR5 or DDR3. So this is it. This is how you should check the RAM type, and it's that simple using CPU-Z. Thank you so much for watching. See you guys in the next video. Peace.